Namaste friends, greetings from NEET Bio Warriors. Today we are going to discuss about phyllotaxy, importance, types with example and keyword for easy recalling. Phyllotaxy. Phyllo leaves, taxi arrangement. In simple definition, mode of distribution of leaves. Phyllotaxy is defined as arrangement of leaves on its stem or branches. In NEET point of view, we need to know cauline leaves, ramal leaves and radical leaves. Cauline leaves arises from its stem. Ramal leaves arises from its branches or sub-branches. Example for cauline and ramal leaves, mango. Radical leaves arises from nearby root. Example is onion and radish. Importance of phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy helps in avoiding overcrowding of leaves. It provides maximum exposure to sunlight. It also increases plants' ability to carry on photosynthesis. There are 4 types of phyllotaxy. They are alternate, opposite, ternate and oral. In NCERT syllabus, ternate is not given. Whereas in NEET point of view, we need to know what is ternate. To remember, we use keyword all in one textbook or workbook. We'll see each type in detail. Alternate phyllotaxy. Alternate phyllotaxy means per leaf per node and adjacent leaves lie towards opposite direction. This alternate phyllotaxy is further divided into alternate spiral and alternate disticus. In alternate spiral, in each node, leaves arranged alternatively in a form of spiral. Okay, the arrangement of leaves on each node looks like a spiral. Example, hibiscus. We use keyword hats. H denotes hibiscus, ATS alternate spiral phyllotaxy. Next we'll see alternate disticus. Here leaves arranged alternatively in 2 rows on either side of the node. Example is polyalthia. We use keyword pad. P for polyalthia, AD alternate disticus. Next we'll see opposite phyllotaxy. In each node, leaves are arranged opposite to each other. Opposite phyllotaxy is further classified into opposite superposed, opposite decussate. In opposite superposed phyllotaxy, pair of leaves arranged in succession or in same direction. Wherein opposite guava, jamun, rangu creeper, that is quisqualis, are the examples of opposite superposed. Use keyword organs. In opposite decussate, one pair of leaves arranged right angle to the next lower or upper pair of leaves. If you see one pair to next pair, it will be of 90-degree position. Examples, Calotropis, Ocimum and Zinnia. The keyword is cause of odd day. Next we'll see ternate phyllotaxy. In each node, 3 leaves are arranged. Example, Nerium. Use keyword TN. TN, Tamil Nadu. Whorl phyllotaxy. Here in each node, more than 3 leaves are arranged in the form of circle or whorl. Okay, the arrangement looks like a circle. Example, Alamanda, Alstonia. We use keyword watch. Thus, a session completed. Thank you. Thanks for watching.